Hi, my name is Marilyn, and for this video I'm going to be showing you a whole bunch of different designs for gothic eyebrows. My eyebrow journey has definitely been very long, and I've learned along the way a lot of tips and tricks for having shaved eyebrows, just a little nub of hair in the front. And I found products that work for me, so hopefully you can take some of my suggestions and tips and apply them to you, or just get some ideas of some different shapes to try out. I'm first going to show how to do these. These are the brows that I wear for concerts, when I go out, or even for every day, depending on how much time I want to spend on them. So if you'd like to see how I create my eyebrows, please make sure to leave a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. First, I'm creating the brow shape using the Sugar Pill Bulletproof eyeshadow and an angled brush. I like to sketch out what angle I want my eyebrow to go at, then I pack on the eyeshadow and create the tail of the brow. With whatever's left over on my brush, I work it towards the front of the eyebrow so it doesn't get too heavy. For a softer, everyday kind of eyebrow, I would just leave it with the eyeshadow. But for the next step, I'm going to be sealing in the ends of my brows using the Haus Labs Punk eyeliner. This is going to help my eyebrows stay on all day, smudge proof, and also darken them up. Now going back with the angled brush, I'm going to be blending out the edges of the liner. I wasn't exactly having the best brow day this time. I didn't like the shape of the arch of my eyebrow, so in order to go back in and sharpen it up, I'm using the NYX Epic Ink eyeliner to create better detail in my brow. Lastly, to set my eyebrow hairs, I used the CoverGirl Brow Gel in Deep. So now that you know the steps to the perfect goth eyebrow, I'm going to show you some different shapes. Thank you so much for watching my gothic eyebrow tutorial. If you like this video, please make sure to leave a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel as well. For a closer look at all of my makeup, you can follow me on Instagram and Twitter at MarilynMugBeat. I'll see you next time. Bye!